Mithram and Bandhu, welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our fascinating discussion of Maharastra series part 6. This is, I call it GAME, acronym that is Geographical Areas Made Easy. That is GAME, Geographical Areas Made Easy. Maharashtra, southern province of Bharat in Deccan, has a land area, surface area of 307,000 square kilometers. 307,000 square kilometers are round about 3 lakh square kilometers, 0.3 million square kilometers. How that compares with other territories within Bharat as well as in other countries. After this presentation, you will get a very good clarity about the geographic areas. When you look at the map, the provinces, the political boundaries, you can broadly estimate the area. And if you know the populations and the area, you can get the population density. When you're discussing the issues, you can very clearly understand, have a broader idea of the concept of carrying capacity, taking over the land by the humans, drawing down the temporary resources, how that affects our economy, military industrial complexes. All those things are interlinked with surface area, population. And Mithram and Bandhu, we explore that further. And if you are new to my presentations, and I have already posted more than 360 meticulously prepared presentations on various diverse topics, starting from Indology, history, geography, contemporary Rajniti, politics, human demography, human ecology, and so on, at our YouTube channel, that is South Asia Maps JRD. You can see as of April 2023, we have 364 videos posted there. I have partitioned them, put them into 30 plus playlists with appropriate title. You can go choose the topic of your interest, explore them further. We are continuing our fascinating Maharashtra series. Before that, we talked about the Maharashtra districts, some sub-districts, that is taluks, tehsils. Part 1 Konkan, next Desh territory, Pune region, then Marathwada, the Nizam's territory of Maharashtra, then the Berar Vidharbha region. We looked at the natural boundaries, 3 stages of Maharashtra formation, Deccan states agencies. Part 6 Geographic areas of Maharashtra, 307,000 square kilometers. Maharashtra is a very fascinating land. After the Rajput collapse of Islamic imperialism from Central Asia, it is the Marathas who picked up the threats, rolled it back. The fulcrum of that is Maratha warriors of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Initial soldiers are called Mawals, west of Pune in the Sahyadri region. Is the land of Mawals, Maratha warriors, Chhatrapatis, and Srimant Pishwas, the ministers of Chhatrapatis, virtual rulers, de facto rulers later, and Mrutyunjay, Veer Savarkar. Marathas led reconquista of Bharat, and they had a very big empire from Cuttack to Attak. Cuttack is a district now in the Utkal or Kalinga or Odisha region on the Ganga Sagar. Attak is a district on the Sindh river in Potwar region of Paschim Punjab, west of Red Cliff Line. 1758, Bapu Hingne, ambassador of Srimant Pishwa at Mughal court, wrote a letter to Nana Sahib, that is Balaji Bajirao, that Maratha flag flutters from Cuttack attack to attack. Of course, they lost within few minutes, few months, the Panipat III political vacuum, and the British tidal bore from Gangetic plains and overwhelmed the Marathas, and finally they lost the battle, and Islamic imperialism was replaced by the British imperialism. Is a different story, and we have taken a similar approach. We have Himachal Pradesh series, you can look at them, and fascinating Bengal presidency, 11 divisions, 61 districts I posted, and of course the heartland United Provinces, that is Uttar Pradesh today, and I talked about it, and you can look at it. The fascinating Maharastra geographic areas made easy, part 6. How to remember? I will make the things very easy. Before that, I have talked extensively Mitram and Bandhum. You should look at it. Look at it in the game series. That means how to comprehend the geographic areas of the entire planet Earth. I made it very simple. If you spend like 15 minutes also, you'll get a very deeper understanding that will help you a lot to make the things easier here. Always remember Egypt. Egypt on this side is 1000 kilometers. Again, north to south is 1000 kilometers. You have 1000 kilometers, 1000 kilometers. 1000 means 3 zeros, again 3 zeros, 1 million square kilometers. Countries, remember continents, millions. States, even small countries, always remember thousands. So it is a general rule. Okay, 1 square kilometer means like this. An average village in Deccan, in my area, Siddharth district, Rayalaseema, Andhra Pradesh, is a very big villages will be there, 20 to 25, 15 square kilometers. If you go to Uttar Pradesh, Indo-Gangetic plains, the village may be only 5 square kilometers. In Kerala, it's almost the same, the very small village. 1 square kilometers, 1 million square kilometer, like a square. There are 3 countries on the planet Earth, or 4, we can say, the United States and Canada and mainland China and European Union, that is part of Russia, west of Ural Mountains, are all 10 million square kilometers each, almost identical, little bit different. And very easy to remember is a healthy person lives for 100 years, super healthy person lives 150, that means he live in the land always. So 150 million square kilometers land surface area of planet Earth. Of course, planet has a lot of water, the oceans, and so there are 360, remember 360 days in a year almost. 360, 150 becomes 510, that is 510 million square kilometers, entire area of this sphere, planet Earth, island on the universe. So we made those things very simple for you, and if you want further, and I talked extensively about India and many other regions, and that is off the topic, and I don't want to get in further, so you can look at it further in other that appropriate folder. So you got now a broader idea, right? And remember, India, South Asia or British India has a 4 units, that means 4 million square kilometers, among which almost India is 3.2 million. So this is 1000, right? That's why you get 3200, again add 3 zeros means 3.2 million. And if you take the Egypt here is 1000, Pakistan 850, Bangladesh 150 means 1000. That means after partition, India got 3 parts, you remember. Pakistan, that is Purbi Pakistan, and Pashchim Pakistan, that is Maghrebi Pakistan, Mashriki Pakistan, got 1 unit. So 3 units, 1 unit is 4 units. If you remember, round about 3000 and 1000, you will be in the right track. Remember, always there is certain regions like Jammu and Kashmir, Aksai Chin, they are contested. So how the people portray what area they have is a little bit controversial. We are not interested in that. So remember, Egypt is always 1000, Pakistan, Bangladesh is always almost 1000. That is 1000 million square kilo. That is the 1 million square kilometer. So 1000 million. 1 million square kilometers. Earth has 150, right? 1 million. Here we are talking about thousands. So that means you say the India has 3,200 rupees. Maharashtra has 307 rupees. Very easy. And Egypt has 1,000 rupees. Pakistan has, that is Pashchim Pakistan, Maghrebi Pakistan has 850 rupees. If you include Purbi Pakistan, that is Mashriqi Pakistan, you'll have 1,000. That means Egypt and Pakistan have 1,000 rupees. India has 3,200 rupees. And Maharashtra has 307 rupees. Maharashtra is same as, almost same like Poland, European country. Same like, similar to Oman, 309. Maharashtra 307, including the Finland. We are just making a little bit a similarity. Again, remember, when some people count the water also as an area unportrayed, so those we have ignored. So India 3,200, Maharashtra 10% of it, remember, that becomes 320, but reduce a little bit, round about 307. So Egypt 1,000, Pakistan 850, Poland, Oman, Maharashtra, Finland as similar areas. Here I put the same thing in a different perspective. You see, that we are giving here not millions, thousands. 1,000 square kilometers, right? Millions means you chop off these 3 zeros. As I told, ocean means like 360 days, and land means you live 150 years. 360, 150 is 510. That is the million square kilometers. The USA, Canada, and China, and European Union, that is also part of Russia, west of Ural Mountains, is 10 million square kilometers. India is 3.2 million square kilometers. India 3.2 million square kilometers. Here I put 1,000. Pakistan. Almost Balochistan is a little bigger. Rajputana is a little bigger than Maharashtra. And of course, Madhya Pradesh is almost the same Maharashtra. We have given Poland, Oman, and all those areas. Remember, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra are almost the same. And Balochistan is a very big province in South Asia. Rajputana is next to each other, and this is the same things we are talking about. Let's go and look at it. The important thing, Mitram and Bandham, you have to remember is, when you look at the two-dimensional map, the countries' areas are not always like that. Here you see, the Greenland looks very big, but Greenland is only 2 million square kilometers. So you see, if you look at the map, Greenland will be like that. Of course, the USA, if you look like that, and this is 10 million square kilometers. Canada looks very big, right? But actually, the real surface area, because as you go in the northern latitude, so northern latitude means North Pole may be like 1 kilometer or so, but you will see almost very big like Europe, like equator. So that's why it looks different. This is the Alaska like that, 1,000 square kilometers or 1.7 square. So you can see the United States, including Alaska, right, and the Canada and the China, and west of this entire Europe is almost the same. And Australia is little less. We can say 7.5. So how you count Australia? People count New Zealand, Oceania like that. 8 million square kilometers, pretty much same. So you saw that, so you get a broader idea. I have put it the true sizes, and if you put it in the equator, you have to put in the equator. Say the Canada here, and the United States. This if you put it, this is the mainland China. There are 10,000 square kilometers. Of course, our standard, the Egypt is 1 million, and India is little more than 3 times of Egypt. You can say 3 million. So Pakistan and Bangladesh is 1 million. Right? You can see the area here in the right hand corner of that pop-up. That's the 3.1 million square kilometers. That's about the area. And if you look at this fascinating land, the globe, if you look at it, always remember Egypt is 1 million square kilometers. The ocean body is 360 days, and the land is you live 150 years, 150 million square kilometers. India is little more than 3, we can say 3 to shorten it. Pakistan, Bangladesh is 1, that is 4 million square kilometers. Our point of interest today is Maharashtra is almost 10% of Bharat. That means if you say 3.1 million square kilometer Bharat, 3.2, 10% is 0.3 million square kilometers. That becomes around about 300,000 square kilometers. That becomes 3 lakh square kilometers. That what we are talking about In today's presentation, that is the geographic areas made easy part 6, take home message is the Bharat has 3,200 rupees, Maharastra has 307 rupees, Egypt has 1000 rupees, Pakistan 850 rupees, Poland, Oman, Maharashtra and Finland have almost the same in surface area. See you later, Mitrom, in other presentations. If you like these presentations, I really appreciate if you take few seconds and subscribe the channel and post your comments and bring it to the notice of your friends. And if you're listening me in share chat site, please take few seconds to add certain comments and any suggestions. That will be really appreciated to bring this knowledge in front of similar audience. Thank you very much. See you later in other presentations. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps Education Channel, Intellectual Kshatriyas Channel.